Hey, hello guys, it's How to Tag Simplified, and in this easy tutorial I will be showing you how to actually fix the Steam pending transaction error. Now this is a very common error which occurs when you try to buy a game. Now let's say you want to buy Baldur's Gate 3 and you put it inside your cart, you're going to your cart and you purchase it, but it keeps on pending. And when you go back to the page, you can't buy it because it says pending. Now this is a very easy workaround, it's a very easy fix, and I'm going to show you how to actually do it. The first thing that you want to do is go down to your account in the top right corner. From there go to view my wallet, and inside your wallet you go to see my account details. Now once you're in your account details, here you go to view purchase history, and in the purchase history you see all your recent transactions, and on the top your most recent transaction should be the pending transaction error, so the pending game that you want to buy. Now let's say it's that one. You simply click on it, and here there's an option to actually cancel the pending transaction, and from there you can cancel it, and once you're there you can go to the game and from there buy it again. Now if you still get any questions, leave them in the comments down below and I will try my very best to help you. If this tutorial has helped you, leave a like and subscribe, it helps me out a lot. Thanks for watching.